What is up, everybody? I hope everybody is having a fantastic morning. I know today for me it's going to be a great day. We're of course going to head out and do some autocross today with a bunch of the boys. It's going to be a fun time and I'm definitely looking forward to it. I am not off to a good start though. I packed last night, packed the car up and got all my tools together and everything for today. But it took me a little bit longer this morning trying to get stuff put together. Why, I don't know, but you know, I had to shower and then I had to get all my stuff and like load it into the truck. Took me a little bit, so I'm off to a little bit later start than I want to be. So we have a 2-hour drive ahead of us to Dragway 42, so let's get it.
Light up for all the cameras, pose for the magazines, but can you show me the side they never see? I know you're special, but if you're feeling me, I wanna talk to the girl that's underneath.
Yeah, I'm not doing very good with time. I wanted to be there a little after 8, and I had to stop for gas to put in the car. I'm hoping I can get there, the gas I have in the truck. And I had to stop for breakfast because I got food still in my mouth. And GPS shows 8:40, so I'm definitely running a little bit late. Trying to speed without speeding. So hopefully we get there on time and get registered up and everything goes smoothly. We're just a few minutes out. I'm definitely running late. I need to get right there and go straight to registration, get the car off the trailer, get to inspection, and then after that I can relax. So you probably won't see me until I'm ready to run. So just FYI, because like I said, I gotta get registered or else I ain't gonna be running today. So yeah. Well guys, we are finally settled in, thankfully. It has been a crazy time just trying to get everything together and get organized and get ready to go. But luckily we are done and we are ready. We're all signed up. We registered cars through tech. I have a little bit of time until I'm actually out on track. I run 4th group and I work the 2nd group. If you don't know autocross, that's kind of how it works. So it's gonna be a fun day with the boys. Got the car loaded up, or unloaded I should say, got all the tools, and it is a full house today. Obviously I'm parked near the back because I was one of the last ones here, but all the way up you guys can see we got some competition today. It's gonna be so much fun. Super excited. Hopefully the car holds up because we got Road Atlanta coming up here in just a few days, so definitely need the car to hold up. I think it'll be just fine. She is so insanely dirty, but we're running the SMF class today. This will be the first time I'm ever running SMF, so this should be exciting. So let's hit the track. day at Dragway 42. I had an absolute blast. It was awesome to be able to hang out with the bros. It was a very fun time. So I was very, very happy with my runs. I had a couple mess ups, but they were all my fault, nothing to be mad about. My first run, I just took it easy, was a 97. My second run, I improved to a 93, and we're talking seconds. My third run was a 93. My fourth run was a DNF because I missed a corner and went off track. And my main goal all day was to get an 89. And on my final run, I got a 90.1. So very disappointed that I was that close. But overall, I was very happy. The guys who I was running with in my class were insanely fast. I mean, I'm not even going to compare myself to them because they were just incredible. But on an average, I was well above the average time, which is awesome. So I was super happy about that. And I was definitely in a lesser car than most. So definitely happy about that. Everything is packed up. We are headed to Road Atlanta. I am so excited. It's a massive event. So stoked to be able to go out to Road Atlanta, where I just was a couple months ago and performed or watched Formula Drift, and now I get to go out and drive Road Atlanta. Never drove Road Atlanta before. Make sure you guys tune in for that. It's going to be awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I have a 2-hour drive home. I've got to stop and get gas, and I got to get something to eat. I'm very tired. It's going to be a long night. I got to edit this video yet tonight for tomorrow. Well, today if you guys are watching this. So either way, I'm going to get off here. I'll end this video right now, but I'm making a right turn, and I've got one hand with the camera and one with turning. So I'm going to wait till I get out of here. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story. Yeet.
Cause I work for myself and no one else, cause I'm too smart to put one of my partners right through